Great news, everyone. Dark mode is finally available in Power BI. And if you follow me for some time and read some of my articles, you know that I love to design in dark mode and create dark mode Power BI reports and dashboards. I will put a link for an article about that and another video in the description. And now, finally, in the newest Power BI release, it's the September 2024 release, you can also change the interface of Power BI to dark mode. And it's super, super easy. And I will show you how to do that. Go to settings. You can go to settings by clicking on this icon. And then go to global report settings and scroll down. There you have personalization. And you see you can choose themes there. And I choose in this case dark preview. Click OK. You don't need to restart. It will apply in the version you have opened. And you see that there's dark mode. If we zoom in, it matches all really well with the report I'm creating. And of course, it's not just useful if you are creating dark mode reports. It's also if you work in a darker environment or working from home where there's not this bright light that offices often have. It can be quite relaxing to use dark mode. So it's really easy. You just go to options, global report settings, personalization, and choose the theme you want to use.